Hey gamers, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something that can completely level up your PlayStation 5 experience: VPNs. These tools can boost your gaming performance, unlock new content, and keep your online activities secure. Let's explore the best VPN for PS5 that will take your gaming to the next level. So, why use a VPN for PS5? First, it's all about avoiding ISP throttling. Your internet service provider might slow down your connection during peak hours, which can cause lag and ruin your gaming experience. However, a VPN can hide your online activity so your ISP cannot slow down your connection. Apart from that, a VPN on PS5 might give you access to games, shows, and other content that might be blocked in your region. Also, it adds an extra layer of security, keeping you private and protecting you from cyber threats. So, let's check out the best VPNs for PS5 that will enhance your gaming experience. Let's start with ExpressVPN. Now, this is one of the best VPNs for PS5. With thousands of servers in 105 countries, ExpressVPN ensures super fast speeds with no noticeable lags. It's pretty easy to set up using the router app, or you can use Media Streamer for devices that do not natively support VPN apps, like your PS5. In short, with ExpressVPN, you can access geo-restricted content and stay protected with its military-grade encryption. Next up, we have Surfshark. This VPN for PlayStation 5 is an excellent option if you're on a budget but still want strong performance. Surfshark offers over 3,200 servers in about 100 countries and supports unlimited simultaneous connections. It's super easy to bypass geo restrictions with Surfshark's Smart DNS feature, and with its No Borders mode, you can play games from anywhere without any geo restrictions. Next up, we have NordVPN, which is another fantastic choice for gamers. With more than 6,000 servers worldwide, using NordVPN on your PS4 offers you fast and lag-free connections, all thanks to its NordLynx protocol. It's a perfect VPN for secure gaming with strong encryption and features like double VPN and CyberSec, which blocks your ads and malware while you play. In short, setting up NordVPN on your router is the best way to secure all your devices. Now, for gamers looking for something user-friendly, CyberGhost is an excellent choice. With multiple servers optimized for gaming, this VPN prioritizes speed and stability while ensuring smooth gameplay. CyberGhost also provides you strong security features like an automatic kill switch and DNS leak protection, all to keep you secure while gaming. Setting this VPN up on your router is pretty easy to do, and doing so can ensure that all your gaming devices are protected and secure. Last but not the least is IPVanish. This VPN is known for its fast speeds and strong encryption, making it ideal for gaming. With over 2,200 servers optimized for gaming, using IPVanish on PS5 ensures a smooth and lag-free gaming experience. All you need to do is set it up on your router and your entire setup will be covered for gaming and streaming. So, are you wondering how to get a VPN on PS5? The easiest method is to set it up on your router. This encrypts all your PS5 traffic and ensures you get the best speeds and security while gaming. By connecting to any server that's close to your gaming server, you can minimize lag and enjoy smooth gameplay. And that's it. That's everything you need to know about the best VPN for PS5 and how to set up a VPN on your PlayStation 5. Not only do my top options enhance your gaming, but they also keep you secure online. So be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more gaming tips. Stay safe and enjoy gaming!